Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Chino Does Stuff. It's fantastic to have you here. One of the most common questions you'll get asked for when building your application is, can we have notifications coming from our app? One of the simplest ways to implement notifications is through email. In this episode, I'll show you how to send emails through your Power App. Let me walk you through it now. So what we want to do today is add email notifications to this application. And what I was thinking was on the submit of a new record. So we have our new request screen. On the submit request button, I'm going to have it send an email notification. So that's probably going to be the easiest way for me to show you how these things work. Email notifications in PowerApps can use HTML for the email body, and that allows us to create a really nice looking email notification. I find the easiest way to do that is by I just usually create a separate screen in my Power App that is not visible or not accessible by the user using the application, and in here I just put all my HTML controls. Now the HTML control is just up here under controls, under text HTML text. And you can see I've already got one example here from a previous video, but for this one I'm going to be using this particular control. I'm just going to call it HTML email, and in here I want to create some HTML. I've already started here with a header, but let me just keep going, because I want to include some details from the request. So here I can see some fields on the new screen. So we've got a field called request title, so I'd like to show that in the email. txt request title, and I want to show the text value. Pretty simple looking HTML, but you get the idea of what I'm trying to achieve here. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is add a connection to the Office 365 Outlook service. Go into my data sources, add data source, new connection, Office 365 Outlook. That's now available in my application. Like I said, I actually want this happening on my submit request. So I start typing Office 365 and I can see a whole heap of new functions are available now because I've got that Office 365 email data connection on my application. So the one I'm after is send email v2. So you can see it's telling us here how to use this function. We've got send email v2, we want the to, the subject, and then the body of the email. Now in the body, I'm going to reference my HTML email field. Let's give that a go. So we add a new request. This is a new request for my YouTube demo. Cost is $100 because I want to. I'm gonna make myself the approving manager, why not? And let's click submit. Okay, so you can see a new request has been submitted. Let's go ahead and check my email. So you can see I've received a new email, and that email contents contains the title, the reason, and the cost from PowerApps and from the request that I submitted. Well guys, that's it for another episode of Chino Does Stuff. Hopefully you're all experts at sending emails from PowerApps now. If you liked this video, why not leave a like and subscribe? It really does support the channel. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.